What's up guys, Brendan here, and I'm gonna do a tutorial on how to do the text speech most frequently used in YouTube videos. I'm gonna use this YouTube video as an example of what the voice hears like.
I am a Steve, I must find the diamond and build a house.
Okay, so that's what it sounds like. And so I'm gonna show you how to get the voice by using any voice from text to speech. So sorry, but I've just done a tutorial recently, but something has gone wrong. Well, sort of. And so you type in text to speech generator. You'll get these results. You scroll down, and then you'll need to find this kind of website here. Okay, you press on that. Okay, and then something like this will load up, and then the voice thing, it would set it up will be different. Okay, and then you press on
here,
voice. Something else will load up. So you press on Daniel, and then UK, and then you press you type in what you want the voice to say. For example, I'm gonna use this as an example. Okay, and then you press on say it, and it gets something like this.
I am a Steve, I must find a diamond and build a house.
See? That sounds so much like the YouTube video. This is what the YouTube video is like.
I'm building a house.
Oh, wait.
I am a Steve, I must find the diamond and build a house.
And this is the one.
I am a Steve, I must find a diamond and build a house.
See? It's so same. And that's how you get the voice. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe, press the like button. Bye.